Hello. Today I'm going to be discussing different tools and resources that can be used in order to create a history lesson plan. I will be mainly focusing on the KidCitizen website, Nearpod, and Socrative because all of these tools could be useful in creating a beneficial lesson plan. Throughout this video, you will be introduced to all of these tools. To start, KidCitizen is a free interactive website that offers historical episodes and primary sources for children. The website also allows teachers to create their own interactive episodes as well as use ones already made and integrate them into their lessons. While KidCitizen offers information for the lesson, Nearpod is useful because it organizes the lesson into slides. Along with those tools, the Socrative tool allows teachers to create their own assessments that can test children on their knowledge and see how much they have benefited from the lesson plan. Now, I'm going to start out by asking you some open-ended questions to consider using my Nearpod tool. My first question is, how useful are primary sources in historical context? And my second question is, do children benefit from interactive websites? And these are just some questions to think about throughout the video. Now I'm going to go on to the KidCitizen website and show you this tool. At the top right corner you should see the subheadings, and these are very helpful because they tell you what's going to be on each page, and if you were going to do a lesson plan you would go to the episodes for that. And I'm just going to show you one episode and give you an idea of what this tool really does, some benefits, some negative things. And this is Congress and child labor. And actually right below the play this episodes is a description of what the video is going to be about. And this is very useful because teachers won't have to watch the whole video. They can just read the description and know what's going to be in the video. And that saves time for them. Now, before I play the video, I'm just going to let you know that the avatar is going to be speaking and it's very hard to speak over her, so. Now this avatar actually is one of the major benefits of this website because not only does she interact with the children, but she gives them descriptions, she uses gestures, instructions, and it's very beneficial to students, especially that can't read or understand things on their own. Now I'm going to start this.
Hi, my name is Ella. We are going to go on an adventure together. We will be looking for history clues to help us explore what happened long ago.
And also
We
these
have a mystery to explore, and we will collect clues
descriptions at the bottom are very useful for children with hearing impairments or anything else like that.
Congress passed child labor laws to protect children long ago. Let's go.
This is very interactive, you can
Congress
see.
is made up of
You can see
groups
she's
of
pointing to the
people elected
picture
to work together to improve
to show that's what they
quality
should
of
be
lives
focusing
of
on.
citizens throughout the nation. Tap on the members of Congress talking in the center of this image, and we will explore the law they passed to help children.
And then once again, specific details are given. Now one major negative aspect of this is that you can't pause, rewind, or fast forward the video, and everyone learns at a different pace, and that might not be helpful for some students who are slower or some students who work faster. And it's not helpful for this video as well because it's very hard to talk over the avatar. And once again, like if a child were to leave and come back later, they would just have to start the whole video again. They wouldn't be able to rewind it.
Long ago, Congress decided that it was important to pass labor laws to protect children. Do you know what the word labor means? It means the jobs that people do.
Lots of images are given, which is helpful. People can
What kinds of
get
jobs
a
do you
better
do?
idea. I'm going to just
Tap on
click
the
out of
great
here.
jobs that you have done.
Now, along with some more disadvantages of this, the website does not include any other language than English. There's no translators, and that doesn't take into consideration all people. I mean, although some classrooms may have just students who speak English, other classrooms do not. And also, this is just for history, this tool, and it does not have anything for math or any other common core subjects. So that may be a challenge. Also, the primary sources in this tool are very useful. They're firsthand. They help the children. And that's the basics of this. I'm just going to go to the closing activity. And the closing activity is to complete this mini quiz on Socrative that asks open-ended questions about all of these tools and resources. And the username is Quinn5297 and the code is SOC33447122. And that concludes the video. Thanks for watching.